Imagine waking up on a planet where Earth is twice its current size. Its diameter has doubled, making it a true giant among terrestrial worlds. The sky looks familiar, but the horizon stretches farther, and mountains seem dwarfed by the immense curvature beneath them. Gravity is now much stronger, nearly double, making every step a heavier effort. Trees grow shorter and sturdier to withstand their own weight. Birds struggle to fly, and the air feels denser, pressing down in a way that's both exhilarating and exhausting. Oceans are deeper and continents sprawl wider, but the sheer scale of everything makes even familiar landscapes feel alien. The planet rotates more slowly, stretching days and nights, while tectonic forces strain under the increased mass. In this first phase, humanity faces the immediate, visceral reality of living on a world that's both recognizable and utterly transformed. A new Earth where every movement, every breath, and every vista is redefined by colossal scale. With Earth now twice as large, gravity becomes a relentless force, shaping every aspect of life. Walking feels like carrying a heavy backpack at all times, and running becomes an Olympic feat. Buildings require reinforced foundations, and ancient architectural wonders struggle to survive. The pyramids of Giza sag, cathedrals buckle, and skyscrapers face unprecedented engineering challenges. Animals, too, must adapt. Elephants shrink in stature, birds rarely take flight, and insects dominate the skies, their small bodies less affected by gravity's pull. Human physiology changes over generations. Muscles bulk up, bones thicken, and hearts grow stronger to pump blood against the increased weight. Sports evolve into tests of endurance and strength rather than speed or agility. Even daily chores become workouts, and the pace of life slows as humanity adjusts to this heavier world. The new gravity also compresses the atmosphere, making it denser and possibly more oxygen-rich, subtly altering how sound travels and how deeply we breathe. As centuries pass, societies transform to meet the demands of their massive planet. Cities spread horizontally rather than vertically, sprawling across vast plains, their roads and infrastructure designed for efficiency rather than speed. Transportation evolves. Vehicles become more powerful to overcome gravity, but also more energy-intensive. Rail networks dominate, with maglev trains hugging the ground, while air travel is reserved for only the most essential journeys, as heavier gravity makes flight fuel intensive and costly. Agriculture adapts too. Crops are bred to be shorter and sturdier, while terraced farming becomes standard to prevent soil erosion under the relentless weight. Rivers run deeper and wider, and dams are engineered on a grand scale. The new Earth size fosters regional cultures, as travel between continents becomes a monumental undertaking. The sense of global unity shifts, with civilizations thriving in relative isolation, developing unique technologies and traditions tailored to their local environments. Earth's doubled size gives rise to ecosystems both familiar and alien. Rainforests shrink in height but thicken in density, while deserts spread wider beneath heavier skies. Mountain ranges, though massive in length, appear less towering, their peaks smoothed by gravity and erosion. The oceans, deeper and more voluminous, host new forms of marine life adapted to crushing pressures. Gigantic, slow-moving creatures prowl abyssal plains, while coastal ecosystems teem with resilient, compact species. Weather patterns shift dramatically. Storms become more intense as the increased surface area and atmospheric density fuel colossal hurricanes and monsoons. Climate zones stretch wider, and seasons lengthen due to the planet's slower rotation. Some species thrive, others vanish, and entirely new niches open up, sparking bursts of evolution and adaptation. Humanity's relationship with nature becomes more cautious and respectful, as the planet's sheer scale and power demand humility. Over millennia, Earth's doubled size reshapes the trajectory of civilization and life itself. Technology flourishes in unexpected directions. Energy generation becomes a primary focus, with planetary-scale solar arrays and deep geothermal taps. Space exploration faces new hurdles, as escaping the planet's gravity demands far greater energy and innovation. Rocketry gives way to space elevators and advanced propulsion systems, slowly making off-world travel possible again. Humanity clusters in megacities, each a hub of culture and invention, but separated by vast wilderness and formidable barriers. Communication networks become the true arteries of civilization, connecting distant societies and fostering a new global consciousness. The planet's immense resources support both abundance and sustainability, but also force humanity to confront its limits. As the centuries pass, Earth's giant form becomes not just a challenge, but a source of awe, a reminder that, in adapting to a world of titanic scale, life finds new ways to thrive, dream, and explore.